I'm about to turn a dusty understairs cupboard into a high-yield utility room that actually boosts property value. If you've got dead space, this is your return on investment machine. Quick like and subscribe if you're into squeezing every pound of value out of your home. We've got lots of tips and tricks to share. Here's the mission: maximize square footage without adding a single brick. Stacking zoning smart airflow. I measured the cupboard to check the height, depth, door swing, and the angle of the stair stringer. I'll stack the appliances at the tallest point, add a pull-out work surface and cupboard underneath in the middle, and storage for least used items at the lowest point. Be sure to leave enough space around appliances for good airflow and to avoid annoying vibrations. Step 1. Services. You'll need electric sockets and lighting, a water feed, and waste out. If you can't vent a dryer outside, choose a heat pump model, lower energy, no duct, but you'll want a drain to catch condensation. Add a louvre panel at the door base and a slimline vent grille at the top to keep air moving. Step 2. Stacking kit. Never stack without the manufacturer's kit. It locks the dryer to the washer. It adds stability, maintains minimum required space for airflow, and maintains any manufacturer guarantees. Use rubber seals to reduce vibrations. Step 3. Custom cupboards and shelving. I'm framing with 18mm plywood and finishing with a wipeable laminate. One narrow bay at the tallest point for the ironing board and other taller items. One middle bay with adjustable shelves for kitchen cleaning and laundry products, the iron and light bulbs, along with other useful items we all keep in that one kitchen drawer. A pull-out worktop provides a useful surface for transferring laundry. Add secure hooks on the back of the door for a collapsible drying rack and laundry bag. Lighting makes it feel bigger. A low-profile LED bar with a motion sensor so it just wakes up when I open the door, does the trick nicely and is convenient when you have your hands full. Use warm white lighting to keep it clear and clean. Sound and vibration. Stick rubber feet under the washer and line the side panels with peel and stick acoustic foam squares. For drainage noise, I've wrapped the waste pipe with closed cell foam. Now, the numbers. My spend: £250 to £400 for shelves and finishes, £60 to £120 for lighting and hardware, £300 to £600 for a professional electrician and plumber to install the services, plus the appliances if you need them. Typical resale uplift. Agents in my area have quoted 1.5 to 3 times the project cost, because a dedicated laundry area photographs well and frees the kitchen cupboards, creating extra space in your kitchen without actually adding any. The actual value and the perceived value of this addition is huge and makes your home stand out from the crowd. Usability and convenience equals value in buyers' eyes. I've labeled shelves, added a silicone mat under detergents, and stuck QR codes inside the door for machine manuals and easy access to guides. Doors won't swing wide enough or you have a narrow hallway. Swap to bifold, or a pocket door to reveal the whole layout. Think of this as value arbitrage. Reclaim dead space, stack vertically, zone smartly, and make it look intentional. If this gave you ideas, smash like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.